we've learned to live, we've learned to live with that, ano? Kasi yung kinship, personal relationship, friendship, wala, they have nothing to do with politics. It's all politics. Para hindi masakit isipin yung iniwan, no? At tinaidor, inabandona, ganun na lang yung aming mindset. Na ito, politika ito, talagang things happen. Mas masakit yung magkalaban, magkapatid. Magkalaban, magnanay. Siguro mas medyo, pero yun, because of those situations na nakikita namin sa ground, parang we're even better off kasi hindi namin kalaban, iniwan lang kami.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.